Imagine running a business where AI handles the heavy lifting, answering calls, booking clients, and even closing deals, while you focus on what you love most, growing your business. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the AI gold rush is here, and I'm about to show you how you can not only use it to transform your business, but also lead this revolution for others. My name is 𝗀𝗄𝗍𝗍, and for years I've worked directly with small business owners who have struggled with one core challenge: time. There's never enough of it. Time to answer calls, follow up with leads, handle customer inquiries, or scale operations. Many have invested heavily in websites, ads, and SEO to attract clients, but there's still one massive gap. What happens when the phone rings? The truth is, over 60% of calls to small businesses go unanswered. Think about that. More than half of the people who are ready to buy, who are actively reaching out, never connect with the business they want to work with. That's not just frustrating for customers, it's a huge loss in revenue. But what if there was a solution, a way to ensure no call goes unanswered, no lead slips through the cracks, and no opportunity is wasted? That's where AI comes in, and today I'm going to show you how you can use it, not just to simplify your business, but to create a high-value, in-demand service that businesses are begging for. Let's be real for a moment. AI gets thrown around a lot these days. It's become the ultimate buzzword. You see it in everything from marketing software to image editing tools, and sometimes it feels like companies are just slapping the term AI onto anything to grab attention. But here's the truth. AI isn't magic. It's not some sci-fi fantasy. It's a tool, a powerful tool, that when used correctly can simplify your life and deliver real, measurable results. Now, I'm not here to hype up every AI tool under the sun. Instead, I'm here to talk about the practical, actionable ways AI is changing the game for small businesses. Because at the end of the day, that's what business owners care about. Results, more clients, more revenue, less stress. And that's exactly what AI can deliver when used the right way. Let's talk about the reality of running a small business. Most small business owners are incredibly skilled at what they do. A plumber, for example, knows how to fix your leaky faucet. A dentist knows how to take care of your teeth. A roofer knows how to repair your home after a storm. But here's the problem. They're so focused on fulfilling their work that they don't have the time or energy to handle everything else, answering calls, following up with leads, or booking appointments. And that's where the cracks start to show. Calls go unanswered. Leads don't get followed up with. Potential customers move on to the next business down the list. It's not because these business owners aren't good at what they do. It's because they're stretched too thin. Here's an example. Let's say a plumber has spent thousands of dollars on Google Ads to show up at the top of search results. But when a potential customer calls, the plumber is busy on another job and can't pick up the phone. That lead, that potential sale, is gone. Just like that. And all the money spent on getting that lead, wasted. This is where AI steps in and changes the game. Imagine this. A potential customer calls that same plumber, but instead of getting a voicemail, they're greeted by an AI assistant. This AI assistant doesn't just answer the call, it listens to the customer's needs, asks the right questions, and even books an appointment on the plumber's calendar. All of this happens automatically, without the plumber needing to lift a finger. And here's the kicker. The AI assistant can handle an unlimited number of calls simultaneously. It doesn't matter if 10 people call at once, it can manage them all, professionally and efficiently. It never gets tired, never takes a vacation, and never has a bad day. But it doesn't stop there. The AI assistant can also send follow-up texts or emails, answer FAQs, and even provide personalized responses based on the business's knowledge base. In other words, it becomes the ultimate frontline assistant, giving customers the immediate attention they need while freeing up the business owner to focus on their work. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but how does this benefit me? Well, here's the thing. Small business owners know they need help, but they don't know where to start. Most of them have heard about AI, but have no idea how to use it effectively in their business. That's where you come in. You can be the one to introduce them to this game-changing technology. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have years of experience. With the tools available today, setting up an AI assistant is as simple as clicking a few buttons. And the best part? You're offering a solution that practically sells itself. business owners immediately see the value because it directly impacts their bottom line. More calls answered, more appointments booked, and more revenue generated. Here's the thing about timing. Success often comes down to being in the right place at the right time. Think about the early days of websites, SEO, or Facebook ads. The people who jumped on those trends early saw massive success because they were ahead of the curve. Well, we're at that moment again with AI. Most small businesses don't even know this technology exists, let alone how to use it. By getting in now, you position yourself as the go-to expert in this space. And the beauty of this opportunity? It's not limited to one industry. Every small business, whether it's a dentist, a restaurant, a real estate agent, or a gym, can benefit from this technology. That means the potential market is enormous. Want our free step-by-step course? Hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and drop a comment below and we'll hook you up. Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on how to grow your business using cutting-edge technology. The future is here. Don't miss your chance to be part of it.